Hey everyone, it's Circulatory System Day. I know that when a lot of people think of the circulatory system, you might think of hearts. Yes, the heart has a lot to do with this system, but I want you to try to shift your thinking from heart to transport. The main function in the circulatory system is transportation. It's transporting oxygen and nutrients to your cells, and it's also removing waste from the cells as well. So here's a cool diagram that I wanted to show you. This is illustrating the specific type of blood vessels that you have in your human circulatory system. You have arteries, capillaries, and veins. Okay, so you have arteries that carry blood away from your hearts, okay? So if your heart is up here, whoop, boop, 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 you will have the arteries that will carry the blood in the opposite direction. Okay, so I want you to try to remember that artery begins with A and blood flows away. So A, okay? Now, as the blood travels through the arteries, it'll go eventually into capillaries over this way. Okay, these are much smaller blood vessels. Capillaries are connected to the different organs in your body. So this is how cells in your organs get the nutrients that they need. If they need oxygen or they need glucose from the food that you've been eating, or maybe they have carbon dioxide that they need to get rid of, that's what's happening in the capillaries. After your blood cells have dropped off oxygen to your organs, they're going to pick up that carbon dioxide and other things that they want to get rid of. And in the capillaries, and the capillaries are going to get rid of those things through diffusion, filtration, or osmosis. You'll learn about these processes during high school biology. But for today, all you need to know is that capillaries are still involved in that transportation. They're dropping off oxygen and they're picking up waste, okay? A particular kind of capillary is called a peritubular capillary, and this is what's in your urinary system, your excretory system, and this is what helps get rid of waste, okay? So they're going to move waste and excess water through your kidneys in the excretory system, which is where waste gets filtered out, okay? So now what the capillaries will continue to do is travel over to the vein. So we're going to move into this section. Okay, now once they get here to the veins, they're going to go right back up to the heart. As you learn these different types of body systems, you'll notice that almost every body system is interacting with the circulatory system because the circulatory system is transporting all of the things the cells need all over your body. Just like the example I mentioned a second ago with the capillaries and the circulatory system interacting with the kidneys and the excretory system, okay? So keep that in mind as you go through all the different body systems that we'll learn throughout the unit.